Hi, this is Alex Masichev of Antvillion, the developers of DITAToo. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the major features that we've added to DITAToo 1.9. One of the big improvements that we've made in 1.9 after listening to feedback from our customers is an ability to search translations. Now you can select a project. Select this new option, Search Project for Translations, and specify what you're looking for within this project. Files that are not translated yet, translated files, files whose translations should be updated because the topic in the source language was modified, files whose translations are up to date, or files locked for translation. You can also choose in which language you want to search, or specify that you want to search in all the languages. For example, I can search for all files whose translation in Dutch should be updated because the source was modified. DITAToo shows me a list of topics whose translation in Dutch should be updated. From here, I can select all of them, or I can select just specific topics and download them for additional translation. This brings us to the next improvement that we've done based on feedback from our users. This is an ability to choose whether you want to zip individual files when downloading them for translation. If this checkbox is not selected, DITAToo will download the selected topics without zipping them. This is exactly what's happened when I downloaded the topics whose translation should be updated. As you can see, the topics were downloaded just as they are, without zipping. After the translations are updated, you can upload the topics back to the repository. Again, without having to zip them, you'll just need to select this option, Upload Individual Files. This red exclamation mark is still there because the topic is translated to 3 languages. In Dutch, as we can see, the translation is up to date, and in German, translations in German and Spanish still have to be updated. Speaking of modifying a topic in the source language, with DITAToo 1.9, you can manually dismiss the needs update status. This feature might be useful if you decide, for whatever reason, that the needs update status isn't relevant any longer. You're also getting more control in how the version number is incremented. For example, let's say you want to fix a typo or a grammar mistake. So you open a topic as usual, fix the mistake. For example, let's say in this particular case, I want to fix the article A to the, and save it back to the repository. Now, this operation should not necessarily cause the version number to be incremented. And I can choose to not increment the version number when I'm checking in a topic back to the repository. When checking in the topic, you just select this checkbox and the current contents of the topic will be overwritten without changing the version number. Another thing that you wanted, and we've done it, is an ability to assign a tag to all the files in a project. Let's say you have a user guide, and you want to assign a tag user guide to all the files included into the project, topics, images, submaps, and if any, and so on. Earlier, you would have to do this manually. However, in DITAToo 1.9, you just select this checkbox, and DITAToo will take care of the rest. You can now see that the tag is now assigned to all the files in the project. This was an overview of the major features added to DITAToo 1.9. You can find a full list of the new features in DITAToo release notes. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@ditatoo.com. You can also find out more information about DITAToo at the official website www.ditatoo.com. And please feel free to join us in LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you.